Welcome to all. In session 2, in that session 2, we try to cover the installation and configuration of the XAMPP for PHP. Myself, PS Chavan, MA Computer Engineering. Installation of XAMPP server. That first we need to download the XAMPP. Then second we have to install the XAMPP. Then configuration of XAMPP of Apache server. Starting with the XAMPP, we know the one Notepad++ editor, extension for PHP and sample example. So XAMPP stands for X is a cross platform, A is Apache, M is a Mario, and double P is a Perl and PHP. Which is a software distribution which makes to the work easier and testing and deploying the creating local web server. XAMPP is the most popular PHP development environment. XAMPP is a completely free, easy to install Apache distribution and containing the Mario, DB, PHP and Perl. The XAMPP open source package has to be incredibly easy to install and use. This is the link to download the XAMPP. Then after completion of downloading, we have to installation of XAMPP, sir. So click on the XAMPP for Windows. It is a gray button near the bottom of the page. Double click on the downloaded file. This file should be named something XAMPP Win64 7.2. Click yes when prompted. Click next. Select aspect of the XAMPP to install. Click next. Select installation location. We have to prepare the C drive. Click OK. Next we have to need to configure the XAMPP after installation of XAMPP server. Open the XAMPP icon, configure the button in front of the Apache module. Open Apache httpd.config file. Ctrl F, listen for finding the port number. Search the present hash listen 12.34.50.7880. Change the port number 80 into 80. Save and exit. After that configuration installation, we have to start the XAMPP server. Open the XAMPP. Click on the action button start, which appear in front of the Apache module. Green color highlighted over the Apache and status change detected as running. Then open browser, write URL 127.0.1 and click enter. Next we need to editor. So in that editor we refer the Notepad++ editor. So we have to link provide to install the download the editor. So after that installation of Notepad++, we need to extension. So basically file extension attack order to server identify the PHP files and script. You must be save file with the .php extension. Older PHP extensions can be include PHTML, PHP3, PHP4, PHP5 and PHP. It's normally we call as a PHP is a case sensitive. It's a very important things. So upcoming session we have tried to code how can you write the code and which is the rules and regulation to write the code. Thank you.